Welcome children, welcome to my class. Today again we will discuss about it or about lesson 8. This is the revision class and we have already discussed about 16 question and answers. Now we will continue it. We know the tiger was trapped in a trap. It wanted to come out of the cage. At that time a Brahman passed through it. He requested the Brahman to let it out and promised not to be ungrateful. But when the Brahman kindly opened the door, it came out and wanted to kill the Brahman and eat him up. And the Brahman told him ungrateful. When he said like this, the tiger made a condition: if they would meet first three creatures, if any one of them told that it was ungrateful, then the tiger would leave the Brahman. First they met the peepal tree, but the peepal tree was suffered by man, so it supported the tiger. After that they met an old dog who was driven out forcefully from his master's house. When it became old, the master of the dog pulled it out in starve. He was very angry with man. He also supported the tiger. At last, they met a jackal. The jackal was very intelligent and he knew the ungratefulness of the tiger and it wanted to punish the tiger for his ungratefulness. So he told that if they wanted the suggestion from the jackal, they would go to the place where it was happened. Okay children? So they went towards the place where the incident was happened. At that time they saw the cage and the jackal irritated the tiger and said, "The cage is too small. How did the tiger or how was the tiger in that small cage?" Then the tiger was very angry with the jackal. At once it jumped into the trap. Quickly the jackal shut the door and the Brahman and the jackal came out of that place. And the tiger was again in the cage. So we learn from this story that we should not believe the words of a stranger and we should be careful, and knowledge is more powerful than a sword. Okay children, then let us start. Why did the jackal pretend to be foolish and mad? Number 17 is, the question is, why did the jackal pretend to be foolish and mad? Why did the jackal pretend to be foolish and mad? Can anyone say? No one. the jackal pretended to be foolish and made to teach the tiger a lesson. We should write like this. The answer is the jackal pretended to be foolish and made to teach the tiger a lesson. The jackal pretended to be foolish and made to teach the tiger a lesson. Then who first helped the jackal understand what happened? Can anyone say? Who said? The Brahman? First, the Brahman helped the jackal understand what had happened. Then, 19. When the Brahman said that the tiger was inside the trap and he was out, what did the jackal say? What did the jackal say? When the Brahman said that the tiger was inside the trap and he was out, the jackal said that the Brahman was in the trap and the tiger was out. Why did the jackal say meaningless? The jackal said so because he wanted the tiger to get into the trap, or he wanted the tiger to put the tiger into the trap again. So he acted just like a mad jackal. When the jackal said the trap is too small, what did the tiger do? When the jackal said the trap is too small, the tiger lost its patience and jumped into the trap. Knowingly, the jackal irritated the tiger because it wanted to punish it. So he said, the trap is too small. What did the tiger do then? When the jackal said, the trap is too small, the tiger lost its patience and it jumped into the trap again. Okay? Then, what did the jackal do when the tiger jumped into the trap? What did the jackal do when the tiger jumped into the trap? When the tiger jumped into the trap, the jackal quickly shut the door of the cage. Okay, it wanted to put the tiger into the cage again. So when the tiger jumped into the trap, the jackal quickly shut the door of the cage. Who finally helped the Brahman? Finally, the jackal helped the Brahman. Finally, the jackal helped the Brahman. Because the dog did not support the Brahman, the people tree did not support it. So, finally, the jackal helped him. Was the jackal foolish, mad, or clever? Can you say? What is the answer? Yes, you say. What is the correct answer? Yes, very good, very good. The jackal was very clever. Though he was clever, So it put the tiger into the cage again. Is not it? What do you learn from this story? We learn from this story not to be ungrateful. We should not be ungrateful to anyone. Those who help us, we should help them and we should be thankful to them. Or we learn from this story that knowledge is more powerful than a sword. Okay, children, these are the question and answers of this lesson. There are 25 question and answers of this lesson. Children, please by heart the question and answers. They are most important for 4th unit test and also for annual examination. So we have to by heart the question and answers very carefully. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.